Hey guys, it's Hannah from Sherwood Forest Creations. Welcome to the shed. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer an embroidery pattern onto the fabric using heat erasable ink. Whether you've purchased one of my kits with the pen option or you're trying to transfer one of your own designs, you're going to need a copy of the design already scaled to size, either printed or hand drawn with dark ink. If you've purchased a kit, you have a copy of it in your paperwork. Now go ahead and cut out the design. Now take your design and flip it face down and center it on your hoop. Now grab some tape, masking tape or scotch tape works just fine, and you're going to tape the design onto the fabric itself. Now grab your friction pen and we're going to transfer our design. You can find these pens on my website, Sherwood Forest Creations. If the fabric you're working with is white or sheer, you can just go ahead and trace it right on your tabletop. You'll be able to see the pattern through it. I suggest doing small, short strokes instead of long, sweeping strokes for the most control. If your fabric is a little darker, place it up against a door wall or a window. This will illuminate the pattern from the back, making it visible through the fabric while still giving you a firm surface to trace on. Because the pattern is taped to the fabric, if you need to take breaks, you can do that without messing it up. Another option, if you have an iPad available to you, you can place your iPad on a table and you can use an app called My Light. It will effectively turn your iPad into a light box. You switch it around and it will completely illuminate the screen. You can place your hoop on the screen and then move to a dark room. This is going to illuminate your pattern, still give you a hard surface to trace on, and you can still move it around because the pattern is taped to the fabric, not to the screen. It might look a little fuzzy in this video just because of the camera lighting, but it's actually very clear when you do it this way. This is also a great option if you're using really dark fabric. Once you're done tracing, you'll just peel off the pattern from the back. And you can choose to either stitch with the fabric placed this way, backwards in your hoop is totally fine, or you can go ahead and take the fabric out and flip it around. Make sure to re-center it in your hoop so that it's even. Once your fabric is back in your hoop, go ahead and re-tighten your fabric. You can give your screw a couple of turns and then work your way around the outer edges of the hoop, making sure that you're pulling equally on all sides so that it doesn't distort your pattern. You want to make sure that there's no puckering around the outer edges of your hoop. Once your fabric is tight like a drum, you're ready to stitch. Once you're done stitching, you can go ahead and use a hair blow dryer or a cool iron to work around the edges of your design to erase any remaining design marks that are still visible. If you want to learn more about embroidery, make sure to sign up for the Foundations of Embroidery online workshop. This course is broken up into easy-to-follow sections with unlimited access to over 2 hours of embroidery tutorials, so you can learn everything you need to know to start doing embroidery. And make sure to check out our complete collection of full kits with step-by-step video tutorials perfect for beginners. You can find the links in the description of this video. Happy stitching!